And I'm cleaning and cleaning and cleaning and cleaning.
Hello everyone, in today's episode we are going to talk about Clean Living's cleaning products. Paradoxically, the conventional cleaning products are creating huge mess globally instead of cleaning it. First and foremost, the harmful toxins and chemicals end up not only all over our homes, but also pollute our water supplies, water bodies, and marine life through our households' wastewater systems. They create a massive plastic pollution with their single-use plastic packaging that rarely gets recycled, and generate excessive carbon emissions through technically transporting water, because for the most part all cleaning products are water. Well, that mess needs to be cleaned, and I believe that Clean Living's cleaning products with conscience are just the right ones for the job. Here's why. First, forget about the harsh toxins sneaking into your homes and our ecosystem. Clean Living's plant-based cleaning formulas are 100% natural, pH neutral, vegan friendly, and are not harmful to you, the environment, or the aquatic life. I think I just found Nemo. And it will provide a more effective and long-lasting clean than most other chemical products on the market because of the healthy bacteria inside and the boost of enzymes. Second, no more plastic waste. As you can see, their complete cleaning kit comes with 7 of those aluminium spray dispensers that are 100% recyclable and meant to be used over and over and over again. They're also quite stylish. And finally, no more foolish transportation of water leading to excessive generation of carbon emissions. Because all you need is Clean Living's sachets of concentrate and tap water. That's it.
Smells good.
And you're good to go. When empty, all you have to do is reorder your new sachets online, and they will be delivered straight to your door. Thank you. Together with a prepaid envelope so you can send back your empty sachets back to Clean Living for recycling.
Refill, reuse, recycle.
Now it's time for some behind the scenes cleaning to test out Clean Living's products. Well, what can I say besides that it does exactly what it says on the tin. The studio is sparkling clean, smells amazing, doesn't smell like any chemicals, and just honestly, it looks so clean. As mentioned before, here we have the complete cleaning kit that costs $41.99. But you can also go for a smaller starter pack, such as the bathroom cleaner starter pack, if you want to first give them a try. Well, I guess that was everything from me, Stefan Dimov and Project Caritas. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time. Enough cleaning for today.